gonna go off. Olmsted County! Olmsted! I'm recording!
Television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers this evening, then a slight chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Shifting to the north 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. For Tuesday, mostly sunny. Not as warm. Less humid with highs in the mid-70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour.
I love you, lacrosse!
Cloudy. Showers likely after midnight. Lows in the upper 50s. Light winds shifting to the east after midnight. Chance of rain 70%. For Wednesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Highs in the upper 70s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of
Olmsted count! Here we go! Let's go!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 471, effective until midnight Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in Minnesota: Dodge, Fillmore, Houston, Mower, Olmsted, Wabasha, and Winona. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
I love you, ARX!
Forecast for Rochester and southeast
You are